Everybody, welcome back to the channel. At the start of a new month, that means another dividend update. This time it's for September 2022. Before we get started on that, I just want to thank everybody that's been joining along, following along the channel, and subscribing. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, which is awesome. If you've been following along the portfolio, I thank you so much. If you're new here, and this is the first time you're possibly checking out this channel, I'm trying to grow my Wealthsimple TFSA portfolio right from $0 all the way up to $100,000, just doing slow deposits, learning investing along the way, and it would be great to have you join along. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Subscribing is free, like I always say. Let's just jump in and we'll show you the dividends. So I've got them saved on my phone here. You can drill down in the app if you are interested in looking at the dividends that you're receiving. You can go into the settings and drill down. So first one we received, we'll go back to the beginning of the month, was August 8th, BTC.Y, that's the Bitcoin yield ETF. We received $4.20 for that one, August 8th. On August 8th as well, we received the RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust dividend, $2.13. August 9th was VDY, we received $7.31. And then August 15th, from Slate Office REIT, we received $3.33. And the last one, August 31st, which came through, it was in the account this morning, was RNW, TransAlta Renewables, $3.13. So grand total for the month of August was $20.10. I'm gonna go in and update the spreadsheet that I have. If you're interested in that spreadsheet, I will link it up above. I can never remember what site it's gonna be on, but there'll be a link up above to that video. You can check that out. You can download that free spreadsheet. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you are checking the market today, you're maybe not wanting to check. We've had kind of a grim last couple weeks, it seems. So hopefully September, I don't know, September is notoriously not the greatest for investing anyways, but we're kind of in this interesting time right now. We can basically expect rates to keep rising, so there's a lot happening out there in the world. So if you are investing, I think my goal is just to stick with the dollar cost averaging, slow investments going forward, not adding any new positions to the TFSA, just going to keep adding to the ones that I currently have and just keep rolling it in very slowly and build up and hopefully put ourselves in a good position for when the market does finally decide to recover. Thanks for watching, everybody. It is a long weekend, so hopefully you enjoy the long weekend. 3 days off from work, which is nice. Hopefully you get out and enjoy hopefully some sunshine before it's all back to work and back to school. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.